Good morning! Nagre-ready na kami para sa aming tour. Island tour. Ayan, si Ate Delia. Busy. Tsaka ako, eto. Nag-cover up muna ako kasi magbe-breakfast pa kami.
Kasama sa binayaran namin sa hotel yung breakfast namin, guys.
Saan yung ano nila, te?
Mag-activity kami na yun. Ayun, gaganda. Ayan, ganda. Oh. Galing kami doon. Sabi daw, yeah. Papunta kami ngayon sa activity namin. See you there! Sumakay kami ng tricycle papunta sa town ng El Nido kasi 15 minutes travel pa from our hotel to the town and nagre-rate siya ng 150. Pero pag malapit lang guys, 100 pesos yung babayaran niya sa tricycle. At dito sa Calamari Restaurant lagi yung meeting place na nakalagay sa Klook na binook namin.
Hi video, welcome to my vlog. This is Boracay.
Boracay. Wow, ang ganda naman dito. Taga Manila kami. Ako sa Malibay. Hindi kami magkakilala. Hindi magkaano kami. Katrabaho.
Doon po tayo kailangan maghanap sa ating organizer po. First time ito ngayon.
Opo. Maliit.
Ma'am, nakuya para sa bag mo, ma'am. Ubus yung pinaghirapan mo ni mo to, ma'am.
Yeah. Sige po.
Ano mo, laki mo ID.
Ayun. Thank you po.
Yung importante mo, wag mo ilagay dito. Yung importante. Kasi kahit anong lagay mo lang dyan lahat, mabukas lang yung kunti, ubusin lahat. Balik ko yan, ma'am.
Cellphone ko rin dyan.
Lahat mo na, ma'am.
Malakas yung alon, kuya.
Let's go, attack!
Kuya, paano naman ang bag ko? Thank you po.
Wala na lang jacket yan. Pero pa kulang.
Ate Delia.
Kulang na lang jacket.
Ang lalim. Ang lalim. Wala po yan. Ang lalim sa akin. Aray ko. Wait lang. Go guys. Go guys.
Okay, ma'am, sir, before we start our tour, are you ready to get wet?
Yes!
FF!
Hooray!
I said FF, you can say El Nido. FF!
El Nido!
I said El Nido. Happy!
Happy!
Happy! Okay, thank you. Okay, welcome to El Nido, everyone. Welcome to El Nido, especially Philippines. Okay, we really appreciate your presence. It's a long travel. We are you coming for the different country, different culture in one go today. We are one big happy family today. Okay, to cause of 5 destination all in all. Okay, our first destination, no more introduction. Okay, the most beautiful everybody. But if you will like this, okay, I'm sure you will really like Ilido because one of the iconic Ilido become famous all over the world because of the Big Lagoon, okay? Big Lagoon. Okay, I will tell you also the activity related to the Big Lagoon. Okay, from here going to Big Lagoon, 5 hours.
Wow!
5 long hours if we swim, okay? I told you only 30 minutes. Okay, if we swim. Let's go to that. There's a lot of shark. Okay, second destination, Secret Lagoon. Okay, Secret Lagoon. It's a secret for you. For me, it's not a secret. I've been there times on times. Okay, for you, after that, no more secret. It's not a secret anymore. Okay, after third destination, okay, the one and only, my favorite place, lands area, the Shimizu Island. And then the fourth,
Parang sa Korea.
the snorkeling activity. Snorkeling. And then the last one, the fifth, okay, we are saving the best for land, the 7 Commando. It's a
Wow.
perfect place for relaxing, picture taking, okay. And if you have a partner, dating. No partner, it's your problem. Okay, before we start our tour, I will introduce myself. My name is Gabriel. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the island of Minilok Island. Okay, this island is called Minilok.
Minilok.
Yeah, located Minilok Resort. Then this mountain, Minilok Resort. Very expensive, 40,000 per night. Okay. In this island, located the 3 lagoons. The Secret Lagoon, Small Lagoon the other side, and our very own, the Big Lagoon, that is the entrance of Big Lagoon. Okay, so many people, they ask what are the difference.
Ha? Ito si Ate Delia, oh. Si Chris at saka si Mimi. Pupunta kami doon. Punta kami doon. Si Kuya yung driver. Hangatakin niya kami.
Kaya nga, mabigat to, apat to eh. Apat sila.
Hindi kakayanin ng power mo, Kuya. Hi! May YouTube ako. Ha? Okay lang. Oo. Okay, we're ready na. Ate Delia, mag-video ka na. Huwag ka na mag-paddle, te. Kakatakot po. Bakit? 37 na lang. Kasi ang aga mo nagbubukas eh. Hikab na yung kasama ko. naman na kami. Pupunta kami sa ibang... Saan tayo kuya pupunta ulit? Sa Bangka na? Tas lilipat ng ibang island. El Nido.
If you really enjoy, we're going home now. Tell me you really enjoy. Just only. Ito yung Biglagoy, kuya.
Ako naman dito sa dulo, ikaw naman sa harap, te. Anong pagsabog? Para magkaiba naman tayo. So, dyan kami galing. Yan yung mga bangka namin. Babalik na kami doon. Okay.
Okay, any concern about the food? Allergy? No allergy?
Seafood.
Oh, you have allergies.
Seafood allergy.
Wow. Vegetarian. Vegetarian. 1, 2. Okay. So.
Vegan.
Yeah, but I eat seafood, so yeah. Those one, this one, this one.
Get this.
Thank you po. Yay. So makain na po kami ng ano ba tawag dito? Kayak. Kasi dyan yung mga foreigner lang yung hindi lumulubog. Tingnan mo, may bit-bit pa sila. Bye-bye po. May bit-bit pa sila. Are you okay? That's fun, huh? Ang kulit. Diyan kami nag-lunch. Paalis na kami ulit. Yun pala yung sinasabi nilang may ano, yung private. Ano ba to? Ano pa? Tatanggalin.
Oh, your life jacket.
Saan na ba?
Oh, wait.
What about shoes? Do you need the shoes?
Right.
Be careful.
Yeah. Okay, go.
Tigil yan.
Gamitin mo goggles mo. Dapa ka, ma'am. Goggles mo, ma'am. Gamitin mo, ma'am. Okay. Teka lang, mama. Sige, ma'am. Ito na. Baba, mama. Ulo mo, ma'am. Baba.
Life vest. Galing kami dun, guys. Next time, you show where you want to life jacket. Thank you po.
South Pinilog. Okay, they call South Pinilog because the Great at the south part of Pinilog Resort. They are in the place.
South Pinilog.
Resort. Okay, we are not allowed to proceed to the beach. Okay, don't go there. Don't go there to the beach. It's a private. Only snorkeling. Okay, snorkeling. Do not stand to the corals. Okay, there's a big stone. It looks like a stone. That is a coral. Okay, do not stand. Okay, don't do. Okay, swimming. Do not touch the corals. Don't touch. Don't stand. Don't stand.
Ang ganda.
So guys, nandito kami sa 7 Commando Beach.
Isa pa, pose. Pose lang. Hindi naman yung picture.
May nagsiswimming. Bumibili kami ng apogato. Si Madam Ivy. Sama na.
Yan na guys, pauwi na kami sa aming ano ba yan? Hotel kasi. Tapos na kami mamasyal. First day ng island hopping bukas ulit.
Guys, hindi ako nakaabot ng zipline. Tingnan mo.
Punta tayo din mamaya sa sandbar.
Pwede rin.